Hi, welcome back to J&S YouTube. We've had an interesting answer to one of the Ask Aids that we've done. We did how to remove your visor and lubricate your visor seal. And Matt Smith has commented that he liked the vid, thanks very much Matt, but how often should you lube the seal? Well, it's a great question, Matt, and we're going to get to that in a second, but first of all I'd just like to say there's a £10 gift voucher on the way to you for doing the Ask Aid. Okay, so the answer to the question for Matt Smith is when it feels and looks dry. How does it look dry? How do you know when it's dry? Okay, let's just show you basically. If I get the silicone pen, or you can use the silicone lube as I showed you in the previous video, and I just rub the silicone pen onto that seal, you should be able to see where I've done, it looks wet. Okay? So when the seal stops looking wet, that would be the time to re-lube it. Okay? So it's going to vary on, depending on how often you use the helmet, what sort of miles you do, conditions, all the rest of it. But basically my advice would be once a week, for sure, or whenever the visor starts to look dry. And you can tell it's looking dry if you just put the lube pen on or the tub of silicone on your finger and it changes colour like that. Alright, hope that answers your question. Thanks again Matt Smith for commenting, and as I say, a £10 gift voucher is on its way to you. Please remember to like and subscribe for more videos from J&S.